Hello all, welcome to Shri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Shivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. We deal with different types of sarees and dress materials. Okay, so today we have brought up with some cotton dress materials. Okay, printed cotton regular wear dress materials priced at 500 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India for singles. Okay, so COD available, COD processing charges 100 rupees extra you have to calculate along with the total product cost and the shipping charges. So I will go with the dress materials now. So all of them are cotton dress materials. Okay, the top, bottom and dupatta, everything is got cotton. Okay, so just a minute, I will just align the camera. Okay, so the top, bottom and dupatta, everything is cotton. Soft cotton. Okay, it will not, it's not stiff and all. The fabric is very soft, and you have the printed designs all over. Okay, in the top, bottom and dupatta, everything you have the printed designs. So this is the first set. So the top meter is 2.3 meters. So this is the first top. Okay, it's a sandal color. And the bottom meter is 2 meter. The bottom is also printed. Okay, so this is the bottom. And the dupatta meter is 2.25 meters. Okay. So this is the first set. Okay, it's a sandal color. This is the bottom. Okay. The top meter is 2.35 meters and the bottom is 2 meters. And the dupatta is 2.25 meters, priced at 500 rupees, shipping extra. This is the first one. Okay, it's a sandal with black combination with the designs like this. So this is the first set. You have the neck design here. Okay, the neck will be like this, and you have the printed border as well in the top. Okay, so this is the design you will be getting in this particular set, priced at 500 rupees, shipping extra. Okay. The fabric is cotton, near pure cotton. Okay, it's not completely pure cotton. 90% you can feel the fabric pure cotton. Okay, a slight mix is there, but you won't feel that mix. Okay. So this is the next one. It's a navy blue combination with steel blue color. So this is the design you will be getting. Okay, actually you have to stitch like this. Okay, so this is the border you get, and you have the steel blue pant with printed design. So this is the pant and the dupatta. Like this. Okay, so this is the next one. It's a navy blue with steel blue combination. Okay, so this is the bottom and this is the top. This is the dupatta. Dupatta you will have the malmal quality. Okay, you have the printed design all over. The fabric is very soft and premium. So this is the next one, a red color with black combination. The top meter is 2.3, bottom 2 meters, 2 to 2.15 approximately, and the dupatta is 2.25 meters. So this is the top, a red color, and this is the bottom. A printed fabric. Okay, so in the bottom you have this kind of a borders. Okay, this is the bottom and the dupatta. So this is how the dress material will be looking. Priced at 500 rupees, shipping extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rest of India. The top meter is 2.3, bottom is 2 and the dupatta is 2.25. Okay. So the bottom, it will be approximately coming to 2.15. Okay, 2 to 2.15 the bottom length will be. So please take the screenshots and WhatsApp me to my WhatsApp number. It's 915150556870. I have mentioned in the description. For all the orders and inquiries, please share the screenshot or at least the description so that it will be comfortable for me to share the details. Okay. If you share the screenshot, it will be well and good. So this is the next one. So you have this kind of a tree design coming in the yoke part and the bottom, a multicolored bottom. And the dupatta. Okay. So this is how the dress, this particular dress material will be coming. Okay. So this is the look of the dress material. Okay. It's a multicolored pant and the dupatta. The dupatta is a malmal cotton. The price is 500 rupees. Shipping is extra. Per single 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. The price of each and every dress materials that I am going to show is 500 rupees. 500. So next one is a light blue shade. With grey combination. So this is how the top will be looking. And the bottom will be like this. And the dupatta, you have the blue and grey together. The dupatta is a malmal cotton. Okay, most of the cotton fabrics nowadays have the malmal cotton dupatta. So this is the next set. It's a light blue color with grey combination. So this is how the dress material will be looking. The top, bottom, dupatta, everything is fancy printed. So the red with orangish yellow. Okay. It has the tone of orange and yellow together. So this is the top and you have the bottom like this. Okay. And the dupatta will be like this. So this is the next one, a red with orangish yellow color. All of them are printed designs. The top, bottom and dupatta, everything is printed. So this is how the dress material will be looking. This is a red with orangish yellow. So the top meter is 2.3. Bottom is 2 to 2.15 approximately, and the dupatta is 2.25 meters. All of them are printed cotton fabric. The dupatta is malmal cotton. The top and the bottom will be cotton. Okay, not full pure cotton. So this is the bottom. It's a black with ivory white color. So this is how the next dress material will be looking. It's a black with ivory white. So this is how the dress material will be looking. All the dress materials are priced at 500 rupees. Shipping extra. Please take the screenshots for all the orders and inquiries and WhatsApp me at 9150556870, which I have mentioned in the description also. The direct link is available, so you can ping me without saving my number. All my collections are in my WhatsApp catalog. Okay, so in my WhatsApp catalog the details will be available for all the available collections. You can directly have a single click. Okay, so this is the next one, and okay, so you have the design like this in the yoke part. Okay, so you have a small design in the yoke part along with the printed design, and you have the border. Okay, dupatta. So this is a teal color, teal with royal blue. So this is the neck. Actually you have the designs here. Okay, so you can adjust it and stitch. So this is the dress material. Next one. Okay, it's a teal with navy blue. So the next one is a blue shade again, but this time it's a steel blue with ink blue combination. So this is how the top will be coming. All the designs are printed. The top you have the grey and blue tone together, and the bottom and the dupatta you have the ink blue color. So this is the next one. This is how the dress material will be looking. Okay, it's a steel blue color with ink blue combination. Okay, the top has the grey and the blue tone together with yellow color printing. Okay, it's printed. All the designs are printed. Whichever I am showing today is printed fabric. So the next is a very bright color, yellow with maroon. So this is the top, and the bottom maroon shade, and the dupatta. So this is the next one. Okay, this has orangish yellow tone. The top is orangish yellow and the bottom and the dupatta has a maroon shade together. So this is the last one for today. All the dress materials are priced at 500 rupees. Shipping is extra. The top length is 2.3 meters and the bottom is 2 meters and the dupatta is 2.25 meters. The bottom and the top is cotton and the dupatta is a malmal cotton. Okay, shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD available across India. COD processing charges, you have to calculate 100 rupees extra to the total product cost plus the shipping charges. Okay, so per order you have to calculate the total product cost plus shipping charges plus 100 for COD orders. For prepaid orders, just the product cost and the shipping charges is applicable. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like my page for all the real updates so that you can follow me with the updates together. Okay, so please share the pictures on this or the screenshot, okay, or at least the description so that I can communicate further with the details. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.